corner pace truck are out. And Garrison Jeske, legendary Gary, is going to set the pace for these Bandits as they're getting ready to go 8 laps. Here they come. Great Vigan, we're racing. Here we go, into turn 1. Dave Parker out to an early lead. Way a little high, and oh, look at the driver from Williams Bay. Bombach just about made it 3 wide, and they're making it 3 wide. It's a sandwich for Garrison Jeske. Look out. Bombach on the hard inside almost went sideways. Look out, Rockford Speedway. Ho! That's only the first lap. So it's Parker, it's Jeske, side by side. Whoa, Parker got a little loose coming out of turn 2. I saw the front end of that car start to go sideways. Not good. Mikey Mahurin in the 0-3 looking to make a move. Is he going to make it 3 wide? No, he's going to go with Dave Parker. Garrison Jeske almost went sideways. Look out, Garrison Jeske's all over the road. He's still trying to hang on to it. And Mikey Mahurin got caught behind that, but Dave Parker now is your leader, but he's feeling the heat from Brock Bombach out of Williams Bay, Wisconsin. Bombach Neon, a Dodge Neon, challenging, I think it's an Acura is what I got. And Bombach is your new leader. Garrison Jeske really off the pace there in that 19 car. I don't know what happened, but Jeremy Watson in the 79 is going to pull it into the pit. Something's not quite right with that 79 car. The first time he was here, he had problems with it as well. So hopefully they get it figured out before feature time here. But now Mikey Mahurin in the 0-3 looking to challenge Dave Parker for second place, and he does. And it looks like Dave just kind of let him go right by him. Whoa, maybe not. Mikey Mahurin went right in front of him, and Dave Parker almost ran into the back of him. But it's Brock Bombach in Williams Bay that probably wants to put it in cruise control right now. I don't know if anybody's going to catch him. We'll see if Mikey Mahurin can catch him. 5 down, now that's 6 down, 2 to go for these Bandits. So it's Brock Bombach that's going to come on white flag, this time by. 1 to go, Rockford Speedway for Brock Bombach. Mikey Mahurin in second, Dave Parker in third, Garrison Jeske, the legendary Gary, in fourth. Here comes Bombach to win. Well, if it was an ugliest car contest, he may have won that one. But he definitely was the fastest car out there. Nobody could catch him. All right. 93 Dodge Neon. I don't know if that's the year that car came out. I don't know if they came out in 93 at that point yet. But he's out of Williams Bay, Wisconsin. Got to be a happy camper. That long of a ride, and be able to come here and win a heat at the Rockford Speedway. We'll make some noise for him when he gets out of the car. I see the helmet off. Takes a little bit longer. It's a little warm out here tonight, fans. Looks like he might do an in-car. So, all right, Rockford Speedway, make some noise. It's Brock Bombach. All right, next.